Hi friends, in today's lecture I am going to share with you the secret of cracking UPSC prelims examination, which has helped me crack all 6 prelims examination and score one of the highest marks in the prelims examination. Guys, this secret is not taught in any coaching institute. If you apply this secret in your study for the prelims examination, no force on earth can stop you from qualifying the prelims examination. Guys, I am going to take a case study and I am going to explain you how exactly you can focus upon only those things which are important for the prelims examination. Guys, why so many aspirants they study and they work very hard, still they fail the prelims examination because they are unable to focus on important themes and they are reading everything. They don't know exactly how to channelize their study in the direction of the prelims examination. Guys, I'm going to teach you how exactly you can focus on things which have high probability to come in the examination, and for that I'm going to take one of the PYQs and I'm going to teach you how exactly you have to study. So guys, this is a PYQ which came in 2023 prelims examination. The question is asking 3/4 of the world's mineral cobalt which is used in electric vehicle batteries are found in which country? So the answer is Democratic Republic of Congo. So generally what students do, they stop their analysis here only, but it is not so. We have to start the analysis from here. We have to first ask why this question has been asked. Okay, so guys, you know this question has been asked because of cobalt, which is a critical mineral. Cobalt is a critical mineral, and guys, you know these days critical minerals are in demand because of two reasons: electric vehicles and green energy. Okay, but out of so many critical minerals, why they have asked cobalt? Because cobalt is concentrated in one country. So those minerals, they have high probability to be asked which is concentrated in one country, because easy to frame an MCQ on this. Because if a mineral is equally distributed, then they cannot frame a question on that. If a mineral is concentrated in one or two countries, then it is easy for the question setter to frame a question. Next guys, this country Democratic Republic of Congo is in news because of the M23 rebel conflict in the Kivu region. Okay, so the country is in news and the mineral is in news, and the country has 3/4 of the mineral. Okay, so you can understand this. So what do we learn from this PYQ template? That we have to first of all find out those minerals which are in news, which is concentrated in few countries, and that country must also be in news. If we get this combination, then that topic has high probability to come in the exam. And today I'm going to make a prediction using this PYQ template. So guys, recently you must have heard that Morocco is seeing protest from the youths. Okay, Morocco is seeing protest from the youth, which is also called Gen Z protest, okay, against the corruption and for the better healthcare. Guys, Morocco is one of the most important country from the perspective of resources. Why guys? You know, Morocco is the top exporter of fertilizers. Morocco is one of the top 4 fertilizers exporter, and Morocco has 70% of the phosphate reserves. 70% of the phosphate reserves, guys, which is used for basically making fertilizers. Okay, so you will say, sir, why this topic is important? Guys, because India is seeing a fertilizer crisis. India is seeing a fertilizer crisis, and Morocco can be one country from where we can import fertilizers. Guys, you know that our population is rising, and since our population is rising, we have to produce more food grains, and for that we will be requiring fertilizers. And India is not self-sufficient in fertilizers. There is a fertilizer crisis. Okay, many places the prices of fertilizers are rising. One of the main reason is shortage of fertilizers, particularly shortage of phosphatic fertilizers, and you can see Morocco is having 70%. Similarly, similar question guys, they can just simply change this question. They will say about 3/4 of phosphates are found in the country which is used for making fertilizers, which is very important for the food security of the country. Which is that country? The country will be Morocco. Guys, also guys, you know India and Morocco is the top 4 exporters of fertilizers in the world after Russia, China and Canada. So they may also ask how many of these are the top 4 producers or exporters of fertilizers. So guys, you can see how I have used this PYQ template for predicting themes. So just now what we have done is that we have predicted a theme. What is that theme? That theme is Morocco. and the theme is phosphates. Okay, this is a theme which we have predicted, but we will not stop it here. What kind of questions we can expect on Morocco? There can be a question on the Morocco from international dimension, IR dimension, and also there can be a question on Morocco from geographical dimension. So guys, you can see already one of the PYQs here, 2013 PYQ here, Atlas Mountain. Guys, Atlas Mountain. Why this Atlas Mountain is important? You can see guys, this is Morocco. You can see this is Morocco, northwestern region of Africa, and you can see this is the physical map of Africa. You can see here Atlas Mountain. So Atlas Mountain is in Morocco. So you can see this has already been asked in UPSC prelims examination. So geographical dimension you have prepared from the PYQs. Also guys, they can ask you bordering countries. A lot of times UPSC is asking bordering countries. If any country is in news, they will ask bordering countries. So guys, Morocco, you can see here the bordering countries, Algeria. Okay, then we have the Sahara, Western Sahara. Then we have the, you can see here, Strait of Gibraltar. This is very important strait. It is one of the busiest choke points in the world. It is one of the busiest choke points in the world. So Strait of Gibraltar, it is very, very important. It separates Morocco from Spain. Very, very important guys, Morocco from Spain. And you can see here two water bodies Morocco is surrounding. One is the Mediterranean Sea, other is the Atlantic Ocean. So Strait of Gibraltar is very important. And you can see here the major physical features of Morocco, the Atlas Mountain, which has already been asked in the UPSC prelims examination. You can see here Atlas Mountain. Next we have another important mountain guys, you can see here. Okay, there is another important mountain here. Okay, I'll just show you. You can see here the ranges. You can see the Taubalk Peak. Okay, this is very important. Rif region, Rif Mountains. This is very important. Rif Mountains. Okay, so they may ask you what is Rif Mountain or Rif region, which country is Rif region, they may ask you. Okay, so this is very important. Rift Mountain also you can prepare Morocco. So like this guys, you have to analyze PYQs. Guys, I have analyzed last 25 years PYQs, and using this PYQ analysis every day I am framing top 10 questions for the prelims examination using the current affairs and the PYQ, the manner I have just shown you. If you prepare like this, let me tell you, if you prepare like this, no one can stop you from qualifying the prelims examination. Guys, if you like this way of studying for the prelims examination, if you like my PYQ analysis template, please do consider giving a like to this video and share this video with our friends who are preparing for prelims 2026.